Okay, so this is the new Kickslide Rom. Custom boot splash. SSC ROM development. Warrior ROM series. Les Steven Christian. Okay, Cool Sack 32. So you have a Sprint Touch Pro 2. Now time for the custom boot splash. Just waiting for it to boot up. This is running Windows Mobile 6.5.3. It's a COM 2 build, or COM 3 build. Build 23146 just came out, or was just released. I think it just came out they finished the build in September 23rd. So you can see it's launching since. We have the HD mini soft keys, and we have the open bar right there that says start, and the HTC desired taskbar thing that I found over at XDA. And here we go, running Cookies Home Tab 2.0 Final, just released on the 12th. And so we'll look at all the tabs. So go to settings, personalize, home screen tabs. And so we have people, messages, mail, internet, photos and videos, music, calendar, stocks, footprints, recent documents, Twitter, weather, Facebook, e-reader, GPS, Sprint navigation, Sprint TV, call history, today screen, RSS feed, internet media, programs and settings. So just go back to that. Press that button, always goes back to home screen. So not really going to go through Cookies Home tab right now, but take a look and we have all the standard ones: Facebook, e-reader, and see if Facebook is working. E-reader. And with the e-reader, I also added the ebook indexer. So whenever you have books on your storage card or whatever, you can automatically do that with the indexer. So we have the GPS tracker. I also call it the GPS tab because when you pull up the soft keys, you have some additional things like other software, which you can load up your Google Maps. So I'll just load up Google Maps right now, and it automatically comes up Google Maps. As you can see, whenever you load up a program, you have the task shows up right there, so you can minimize it. Wait 1 second. So you can minimize it, and you could also go back to it later. Or you can go back, it's quick multitasking. So another thing, we have the call history, but we have the filter soft key, so you can filter between missed calls, outgoing calls, incoming calls, or all the calls together, just from the soft key. Makes it a little easier. And so we have the today screen, where you can add any plugins that you want. So just press the MTP settings tab. and device lock, Bing, messaging, internet calling. Click apply. And close it. And press home. And voila, there you go. You have your regular Today screens just like in the old ones, also in adding them to the Sense UI. Then you have the RSS tab, and it's loading the data right now. And there you go. You have your RSS, keeping you up to date as much as possible. So I'll just look at just Sacramento Bee. And there we go. And you can stay up to date with all your RSS. Now, here's a new mod that I have, Internet Media tab. So you can click on anything that you want. Power FM 100. Oh, I guess it didn't want to play. I don't have any data connection right now, so it's probably not working. But you have, when you click the menu key, you come up with Internet Media toggle, which you can switch from internet radio channels to internet TV channels. And here's some of the and it automatically goes back to the screen, the home screen. But as you can see, there's tons of internet TV channels that I have. A lot of them, some of them are international, and some of them are just from the US. And you can also have quick links to your favorite media players. So Windows Media, I'll do that. Windows Media Player, and it pops up Windows Media Player. There you go. And then you also have Music tab jump shortcut. Goes to the Music tab. And I also added the Sprint TV tab, which jumps to that. Sprint TV. And then you have Slacker Radio if you have it. It doesn't come stock on this, but if you have Slacker Radio, you can have a quick link to that. YouTube, FM radio. And then you have your Programs tab. Have your favorite programs that you want. Then you have your Settings tab. So a cool new thing that I added to it, as you can see, we have two different programs here. If you want to close them both, just open up the Task Manager from the notification bar and just go to Soft Key and End All Tasks. Then it'll give you some little mumbo jumbo. But, yep, there you go. So now when you want to go to the Start menu, just press this button right here, the Start key, and it'll pull up the Manila Start menu. Thanks to, also known as the OC Start menu or Kanaya Start menu. And as you can see, we have various different programs and whatnots. And right here are the recent programs that I've used. So if you don't want to, if you are tired of like scrolling through all this long list of programs, you can just use these. And right here you have Program shortcut, so you can go to your favorite, the Programs tab. And then you have the Settings shortcut, so you can go to your settings all from the Start menu. And that was just a nice in-depth look at the new features of the Manila Kickslide Rom by CoolSack32. And comment and thank you.